Welcome back. I'm Dylan with BimmerTech, and today's modern BMWs can be completely transformed, which is one of these. And I'm going to show you how we do it. Remote coding is a simple, easy to do, and inexpensive option that we offer that can unlock and change so many parameters in your BMW, from Sports Plus mode, remote power activated windows, remote power mirrors, and more. So how do you start this process? Well, first, head on over to our website and find the upgrade that you want. Now, most of these upgrades can be handled with just an email and a flash drive, but today we're going to be focusing on the upgrades where you need a coding cable. You will receive this instructional card in the mail that will show you where to go. You will also have the links available to you in your online account. On our site, you can find a link to our booking page and in the description of this video. Once you're there, click Book Now and select Remote Coding Session. Pick a date and time that works for you. Fill out the required information and click Confirm Booking. You will get a confirmation email, but please check your spam folder. The email that you get will show you all the next steps that you need. Once you place your order, you'll be sent one of 2 different coding cables depending on your car. You're going to need a laptop for this. Now, all BMWs can use Windows XP or newer, but only F and G series BMWs can use a Mac. Now, you will need an Ethernet port. Now, most newer laptops don't have this, so you might need a USB to Ethernet port adapter. Now, if you have an E series BMW, you're just going to need a USB port. You'll need to download some software to get all this to work. You can find the links to everything that we need in the description of this video and on our website. For Windows, you'll need Hamachi VPN, BimmerTech Remote, TeamViewer 14, BimmerTech Remote for Windows, and Java. Mac users will need Hamachi VPN, BimmerTech Remote, TeamViewer, and Java. The versions that we need are specific, so please make sure you use the links that we provide you. Once you have everything installed, you're going to need to restart your computer. When it's time for your session, do not have the cable plugged into your car or computer until instructed to do so. You'll need to go to the link that we provide you. Once there, enter your email address, your BMW's VIN, and your order number. Once you're connected, send a message to your technician letting him know that you're ready. He won't be contacting you first. Follow the on-screen instructions to make sure you're ready. Now, once instructed, plug the OBD cable into the OBD port on your car, which is generally located in the driver's side footwell, and then the other end into your laptop. You'll then start TeamViewer and send the on-screen ID and password over to our technician. Now let the technician do his thing. It's a very simple process, but if you have any questions, feel free to head on over to our website and reach out to us. For more tips and tricks on BMWs and about how BimmerTech can help you with your ride, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Thanks for watching.